Welcome back. Now, a major court battle looms between the Director of Public Prosecutions, Noordin Haji, and lawmakers representing graft suspects. In a fresh application before High Court Judge James Wakiaga, Haji wants the court to lock out MPs representing clients in corruption cases, citing conflict of interest with their oversight role. Makueni Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr. has dismissed Noordin's application as wishful, as KTN Patrick Amimo reports.
In April, High Court Judge Eric Ogola, sitting in Mombasa, ruled that state officers should not represent public officers accused of corruption on grounds of conflict of interest. Now, Director of Public Prosecutions Noordin Haji appears to have been emboldened by the decision. Haji has moved before High Court Judge James Wakiaga, seeking to have lawyers James Orengo, Okongo Omogeni, Irungu Kangata, Kipchumba Murkomen, Mutula Kilonzo Jr., Daniel Manzo, and Peter Kaluma barred from representing graft suspects.
This is one of the milestones that we believe as courts really it's groundbreaking to see that the courts are now moving towards ensuring that justice is not only done but be seen to be done, because public interest considerations are key in the fight against corruption.
Haji has in the past clashed with Orengo over his push to bar him from representing former Kenya Ports Authority Managing Director Daniel Manduku in a corruption case.
In my view, in the Commonwealth, it is not unheard of lawyers, so long as they are members of the opposition and not part of the executive, to go into courts and practice the law.
Makueni Senator Mutula Kilonzo Jr. has said Haji's latest move was wishful. According to Mutula, lawyers don't write judgments or impose their opinions on the court. Mutula argues that accused persons are innocent until proven otherwise. Mutula continues to observe that the only fundamental right that has no limitation is the right to a fair trial, quipping that any first-year student will confirm that the right to a fair trial includes and not limited to the right to a lawyer of a person's choice.
One of the roles of the Senate is to oversight county governments. So again, this is a case where we have made an application of a similar nature, seeking to ask that he recuses himself from appearing for the governor.
Article 96, sub-article 4, the Senate participate in the oversight of state officers by considering and determining any resolution to remove the president and deputy president. It does not apply to other state officers.
During the commemoration of the 55th Jamhuri Day celebration in 2019, President Uhuru Kenyatta took a swipe at parliamentarians, doubling up as lawyers to corruption suspects, terming them no better than those looting public coffers.
One cannot serve as a legislator at the national or county level while at the same time practicing law, whether or not for gain.
Haji's latest application that has roped in other MPs follows Orengo's move to represent Busia Governor Sospita Ojamong in a graft case which he argues is in conflict with his oversight role as senator. Patrick Amimo, KTN News.
And let's circle back to more business news. Laikipia County has entered into a lease agreement to enable it scale up infrastructure development with